Good afternoon. I want to show you how to uh, buy crypto in OKX using your local currency. I mean, this tutorial is for the countries where buying with local currency is supported. In some countries, they are not supported. Like in my country, we cannot buy with our local currency. But if your country is supported, this is what we do. Once you log in, you click assets, you will see the coins we have. Then you go to, if you click a trade, it will take you to where you will buy and sell. So, and the option of buying or selling with a local currency will not be there. Then you go to OKX homepage. You can see the icon where the icon at the extreme left. That is if you're using iPhone. I'm recording with iPhone. If you're using Android phone, it might differ in their positions because maybe this option might be at the top, but in iPhone it is at the bottom. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you know the icons to click. Now you go to the icon of homepage, you click it. Then if you click buy crypto, you can it will take you to the place where you will buy it with a local currency. First of all, you will go to click deposit because you need to deposit the local currency in your account before you will be able to use it to buy. Now, when you click deposit, if the option is at the default, maybe in Chinese currency or US dollar, you click switch to local currency, and you see the country money. You can see NGN, that is for Nigerian naira. You can see CNY and other countries. Then you choose according to your own country. When you click it, it will appear there. So let me leave it for where it was. Now, after I have done that, you will check what do you want to buy. Is this USDT or BTC? So once you are there, let me go back to the place, deposit. Once you are there, you click this arrow, the forward arrow. You click express. It will now navigate to where you will buy. You can see USDT, you can see BTC, you can see Doge, you can see Ether, you can see USDK, you can see OKB, you can see Litecoin, you can see Ripple. So many of them will be there. Maybe you want to buy USDT with your local currency. Now, you have to navigate. I mean, you can put the amount you want to buy with. Let's say you want to buy 1,000 USDT. Then the amount will appear, the amount you will be charged. I mean, the amount that you will pay will appear below this level. Then you click buy. It will now navigate maybe to the place where you will put your card details or where you make transfer. So it's pretty easy to use. Then secondly, let me go back to and tell you something else. If you cannot buy with a local currency, you can buy from P2P. Peer-to-peer is pretty easy and is safe. All you do is that you will see let me go to trades. Okay, sorry. You click buy and set P2P. You will see adverts. You see, this is people who want to sell. Then you will now check their condition because everybody have the amount, the minimum and the maximum they want to sell. Anyone you choose, you click buy, and it will navigate to the place where you will enter the amount you want to buy. I mean that's the unit or what you want to buy, and the person's account number, account details will be displayed. You pay and click that you have paid. When you pay, you snap the transaction for reference. in case there is problem. But once the person confirms your payment, the system will now release the coin in your wallet. Then you will see it. So, and for you to use it to trade, maybe you bought USDT. For you to use it to trade, what you will do is that you will go back to where the money is. You go back to where the money is. To you go back to your wallets, your assets. You click the very money you want to use, and you have to transfer the money. You click transfer. Then because any money you receive will be in your funding account. Maybe for instance, you received USDT and they want to buy Shiba. The USDT will be in your funding account. For you to use it to buy Shiba, you will transfer it to trading account. So that's what we do. When you send it to trading account, you will now go to the place you can buy. You can now go to trade. That's when you will see it, when the money will appear in your balance. But if you don't transfer it to trading account, you cannot see it where you will use it. I hope this tutorial is helpful. And if you want to learn more about trading, maybe you want to be a technical analyst or trade technically, you will know how to make a technical analysis. And we have free channel for that. We also have student channel. In free channel, you learn little, but when you become a student, we teach you everything. So below this video, you will see our Telegram channels. You join it. It is free. You can ask questions, and we reply you. Then if you want to have the full knowledge, you pay the little money and join the students. Thank you for listening. God bless you.